Triple Chip here. This is Down the Hatch 2. This is blizzard number 4 of my 52 blizzards of the year. Should have been 5, but it's 4 because I missed one. And this one is the caramel. Just hang on, I forgot the name of it.
Caramel fudge cheesecake.
Caramel fudge cheesecake. So you can see you get really big chunks of fudge in here. Like really big. They look like big chunks of chocolate, but that's fudge. Let's give her a try. Melting a little bit. You know we live in Canada. That's very tasty. It's melting so much. That's fudge. Give that one a thumbs up. That's pretty tasty. Go down to your local Dairy Queen, get yourself a blizzard. Caramel fudge cheesecake. That's about it for this one. I'll show you all the flavors this year, because I got enough to get them 3 times over. So these go like for $4.99. Small. So until next time, this one's over. Catch you in the next one. Oh, and always remember, happy eating. Bye for now.